So exercise 8.2, when a man got 10% increase in his salary, if his new salary is 1,54,000, find his original salary. 10% increase in salary. New salary is 110, original salary is 100. New salary is 1 rupee, no? When original salary is 100 by 110. So when new salary is 1,54,000, then original salary equal to 100 by 110 into 1,54,000. Cancel pannamna 1,400. So original salary is equal to 1,40,000. Okay. Question number 2. On Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went. What is the percent decrease in people visiting the zoo on Monday? On Sunday, 845 went. On Monday, 169 went. So decrease is 845 minus 169. So decrease is 676 people. So 845 decrease is 676. அப்போ பர்சன்டேஜ்னா 100ல எவ்வளோ பேர் வரலான்னு பர்சன்டேஜில் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ 676 into 100 by 845, that is equal to 80%. So percentage சொல்லணும்னா 80% decrease. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400 and sells them for a profit of sells them at a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. When the cost price is 100, selling price is 116. When the cost price is 2,400, selling price is 116 by 100, that is equal to x by 2,400. So selling price வந்து 116, original price வந்து 100 இருந்தா. அதே மாதிரி இங்கே வந்து என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கான், காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் இஸ் 2,400, அப்போ செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் நம்ம. ஸோ 116 into 2,400 by 100 equal to 2784. ஸோ 2784 வந்து மொத்தம் வந்து 80 ஆர்டிக்கிளுக்கு. அப்போ ஒரு ஆர்டிக்கிளுக்கு எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பேன், 2,784 divided by 80, that is equal to 34 rupees and 80 paise. So selling price of one article is 34 rupees and 80 paise. So question number 4. The cost of an article was 15,500 and 450 rupees were spent on its repairs. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the articles. So cost is 15,500 plus 450, 15,950. So the cost price. Profit of 15% when the cost is 100 rupees. So selling price is, so when the cost is 100, selling price is 115. So when the cost is for 15,950, selling price is 115 by 100 into 15,950. So put the 18,342.50 is the selling price. A VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. Cost of VCR is 8,000. He sold at a loss of 4%. So when the cost price is 100, then the selling price is 94. ஏன்னா 4% lossனா அதை minus பண்ணா 96 வருது. சரியா? So when the cost price is 100, selling price is 96. When the cost price is 8,000, what is the selling price? So 96 by 100 into 8,000, that is equal to 7,680 is the selling price. And the loss is 320. 8,000 minus 7,680 is 320 rupees is the loss. Then cost of VCR is 8,000, sold at a profit of 8%. So when the cost price is 100, selling price is 108. So when the cost price is 100, selling price is 108. When the cost price is 8,000, what is the selling price? So that is equal to 108 by 100 into 8,000, that is equal to 8,640. Profit is 8,640 minus 8,000, that is equal to 640 rupees is the profit. Total cost of VCR plus TV is equal to 8,000 into 2 and 60,000. Selling price of VCR is 7680 and TV is 8640. So total selling price is 16,320. So profit is 320 rupees. Therefore 320 rupees is the overall profit on the transaction. So overall profit percent எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? So that is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Profit is 320. Cost price is ரெண்டும் சேர்த்து 16,000 into 100. That is equal to 2%. So overall profit percentage is 2%. So question number 6. During a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the marked price of all the items. What would the customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at 1,450 and 2 shirts marked at 850 each? Discount 10%, marked price is 100 and selling price is 90. இதில் டிஸ்கவுண்ட் வந்து 10%. அதனால இது 100 இருந்தால் செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் 100, மார்க்டு ப்ரைஸ் 100 இருந்தால் செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் வந்து 90. ஜீன்ஸ் வந்து மார்க்டு ப்ரைஸ் இஸ் 1,450. when marked price is 100, selling price is 90. So 90 by 100 is equal to x by 1450. So jeans selling price is 90 by 100 into 1,450, that is equal to 1,305 is the selling price of jeans when their discount is 10%. So marked price of 2 shirts for the 2 into 850 is 1,700 and marked price is 100, 10% discount clear, selling price is 90. So the selling price of 2 shirts is 90 by 100 into 1,700. So cancel panni multiply pannamna namak 1,530 varudhu. So the customer has to pay for jeans and 2 shirts is 1,305 plus 1,530 கூட்டினா 2,835 pay பண்ணணும். So 2,835 the customer has to pay after discount. Question number 7. A milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for 20,000 each. On one he made a gain of 5% and on the other a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss. 5% gain. Let cost price be 100, then selling price equal to 100 plus 5 is equal to 105. Yenna 5% gain. When selling price is 105, cost price is 100. When selling price is 1 rupee, then cost price is 100 by 105. So when selling price is equal to 20,000, then cost price is equal to 100 by 105 into 20,000, that is equal to 19,047.62. Another buffalo is sold at rupees 10% loss. So let cost price be 100, then selling price is equal to 100 minus 10 equal to 90. When selling price is 90, then cost price is 100. When selling price is 1 rupee, then cost price is 100 by 90. When selling price is 20,000, then cost price is 100 by 90 into 20,000, that is equal to 22,222.22. Multiply pannana. Okay. Then cost price is 19,047.62 and innun vandu 22,222.22. So that is equal to 41,269.84. So selling price enna 2 into 20,000. ஒரு buffalo 20,000 வைக்கிறோம், அந்த மாதிரி 2 buffalo வைக்கிறோம். So 2 into 20,000 is 40,000. ஸோ நமக்கு வந்து செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் வந்து காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸை விட கம்மியாக இருக்கிறதுனால லாஸ் தான். ஸோ லாஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு லாஸ் வந்து 41,269.84 மைனஸ் 40,000, that is equal to 1,269.84 rupees is the loss. So question number 8. The price of a TV is 13,000. The sales tax charged on it at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. So price of TV is 13,000. Sales tax is 12%. So what is the sales tax? 13,000 into 12 by 100, that is 1,560 is the sales tax. So 13,000 plus 1,560 is 14,560 he has to pay if he wants to buy the TV. Okay, then another way of doing this is cost price is 100, selling price is 100 plus 112. Sales tax கூட்டினா குட்டி தான் விற்பாங்க. ஸோ 112 rupees. So when cost price is 1, selling price is 112 by 100. So when cost price is 13,000, then selling price is 112 by 100 into 13,000. That is equal to 14,560. Answer. So he has to pay 14,560 rupees. So question number 9. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is 1,600, find the marked price. 20%. When the marked price is 100, selling price is 80. So selling price is 80 when the marked price is 100, and selling price is 1, then the marked price is 100 by 80. When the selling price is 1,600, 100 by 80 into 1,600, that is the marked price is 2,000. So I purchase a hair dryer for rupees 5,400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. When the cost is equal to 100, selling price is 108. When the price including VAT is 108, then original price is 100. So when the price of VAT is 1 rupee, then original price is equal to 100 by 108. Price including VAT is 5,400. Then original price is 100 by 108 into 5,400. Cancel பண்ணோம்னா answer is 5,000. Original price is 5,000. An article was purchased for rupees 1,239 including GST of 18%. Find the price of the article before GST was added. If price before GST is 100, then SP is equal to 118. So GST is 180 and the original price is 100. So but GST வந்து 1,239 and the original price we have to find out X. So original price of before GST is X into 1,239 into 100 by 118. So அதெல்லாம் cancel பண்ணி வந்தா, so original price is 1,050 before GST. அதுதான். இன்னொன்று வந்து எப்படி போடலான்னா x plus 18 by 100 into x. X வந்து original price, 18% of that original price add பண்ணோம்னா that is 1,239. So x plus 18 plus x, 18x by 100 equal to 1,239. So இது LCM எடுத்து add பண்ண 118x by 100 is equal to 1,239. Therefore x equal to 1,239 into 100 divided by 118. போட்டாலும் இது வந்து x equal to 1,050 தான் வருது. That is the price before GST. Okay, so with that நம்மளோட 8.2 ஃபுல்லும் கவர் ஆயிடுச்சு. இந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ I'll give you the next exercise.